Let's continue for question 11 to question 15 for section 2 practice test 2. So in this question there are 5 lines and then you have a graph. Normally what we do is we go ahead to look at the side is L and the other side is W, which is Y is represented by L, the X is represented by W. So in this case we want to set up equation. Look at the bottom here, they have equations here. What we can see is a direct proportions, they're going on a straight line, so it's a linear equations. So they said which of the following equation best represent the data shown. So when we look at it here, you can find the slope. We can pick any 2 points. Let's say pick this point, which is 3 and 30, and this point is 1 and 10. 3 and 30 and 1 and 10. 10 to 30, the difference is 20. 1 to 3, the difference is 2. So the slope will be 10. So it's either D or E right now. The rest are out. So now, if 1 is 10, that means 2 is 20, 3 is 30. So that means 0 is 0. So they will come out from no intercept. Y will be intercept at what origin? The origin. So the answer will be L equal to 10W. First, you can find a slope, then you find the y-intercept. You draw a line like this. You see the y passing through the origin. So the answer is D for number 11. Now still number 12. That's what's going on here. It said each of the following could be the value of n except for the number listed, the only mode is 5 and the median is 6. The only mode is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Then you have 3, 6. This means n cannot be 5. So in this case, what is the value of n? So you rearrange them. So you have 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, and then you have a 7, and then you have a n. This is a mode, and the median is 6. 6 must be in the middle. So in this case, I have 4 number here, and I must have 4 here. So the number can be 7, 8, 9, 10, except 6, because if I have 6 as a number, even though the median is still 6, but the mode can be both in this case. So the n can be any of them except 6. The answer is A. Number 13. They want to find y, z. How many elements are in the intersection of sets y and z? Y and z, the intersections is this part, which is 10. The answer is C. Number 14. They're looking for what is W in terms of T. W in terms of T. That means you have to represent the M by T. So M square, since M equal to T cubed, so M square equal to T6. So W equal to M square plus M. So very obvious that M square equal to T6, so it's T6 plus T cubed. So the answer is E. Number 15, and this is a very common one. We call the operations. So X triangles. So divided by X minus 1 times X plus 1. So this one is pretty easy. If you remember this formula, this is a very common formula. So you can write down X triangle is actually equal to X squared minus 1. So square the number minus 1. So 6 triangle minus 5 triangle. So you notice that it's 6 square minus 1 minus 5 square minus 1. You notice that 6 square minus 1 and then minus 5 square minus 1 equal to plus 1. Doesn't plus 1 minus 1 cancel? 6 square minus 5 square. So in this case, you get a number of 36 minus 25, which is 11. So we have to take the answer here one by one. This is a plus. You have to get additions. If you think about this carefully, if I do this number plus the other number, so I have 2 square minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 1 square minus 1, which is 0, so this A is out. 3 square minus 1 is 9 minus 1 is 8. 2 square minus 1 is 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. So the answer is B.